Hello there. David, Liu, and Yellow want to see what is inside the ballroom dancing doll. So, let's dance.
Toys for you. We have many.
Hey guys, it's time to see what's inside this cute couple. Let's do some couples therapy.
Nothing personal, but the way she keeps him in the air while they're dancing makes me feel really insecure.
So fascinating, and now let's see how these guys work. Okay, sorry guys, time for a breakup. Oh my god. This is a very solid couple. Girls, if you want a permanent relationship for life, the wedding ring is not the solution. The solution is this little thing. You see? Yes. If the girl catches the boy with this, it's for life. Okay, let's talk about the boy. The boy is light and has no mechanism. The girl is a whole different thing. And let's see how she works. Oh my god, she's got so many screws. I think we get change. Can you figure that this one has nothing, no mechanism, is not even heavy? Yeah, this is amazing. I want to show you how complex this little one is. The wheel beneath is pretty different. So she spins like this.
She should be a drift master.
Yep. Interesting. So if she were alone, she would have spinning circles. Okay, now the screws for the dress are quite done. But the dress doesn't seem to open and is not coming out. Women are like Legos. You see?
This toy is a little spooky in a strange way, at least for me as a teddy bear. And it sure gives me a lot to think about in what concerns relationship and fashion. I don't understand women fashion. Okay, now we have here a counterweight. There we have the batteries. There we have the engine that spins a lot of gears. And these are the gears that spin the wheel beneath.
Guys, this was no walk in the park. I really wanted to open this, but if I do this, I am afraid I will not be able to put the gears back, so I will refrain. Now it's the time to put her back, and it's gonna be also a challenge, so wish me luck.
Yeah, good luck with that. If you like this series, remember to comment and you may be featured in our next clip.
We only have half the woman she was. Okay, we made her fit the LEDs, and now let's see how to put her back.
Again, women fashion gives me a lot of headaches. Apparently she has some headaches too.
I think she's the Borg queen, actually. Ladies and gentlemen, here is the Borg queen. Yeah, but not anymore. We have hair treatments. Okay. And now the dress. So difficult to dress a woman. Yes, it was from the wrong part. Haha. I now declare you friends for all eternity. Guys, remember, comment and let us know what you want to see in the next clips. I hope you like this clip. I enjoyed it, even if the lady was a little too complex for my taste. And do comment and let us know what you want to see next. So, see you in the next one.
Let's have an understanding. Now what? Brother, what a way to run a railroad. Now, as I was saying... All right, let's get this picture started.